Today, I'm going to show you how to calculate ROI in Google Ads, specifically for call ads. Understanding your return on investment is one of the most important skills you can develop because it tells you exactly how well your advertising budget is performing. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to measure the value of the phone calls your ads generate and determine whether your campaigns are bringing profitable results. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Google Ads homepage. If you are unsure how to find it, simply search for Google Ads and click the official link. Once you arrive, go ahead and sign in by entering your Google account details. After signing in, you'll be taken to your main Google Ads dashboard where all your campaigns and ad tools are displayed. From the dashboard, look at the menu on the left and click on the Campaigns tab. This area gives you a complete overview of your active and past campaigns. Spend a moment getting familiar with this section because it plays a major role in tracking your ad performance. After selecting your campaign, move to the Ads tab. This is where you can view each individual advertisement along with important performance metrics like impressions, clicks, and cost. These numbers will help you understand how well your call ads are performing. Now it's time to create or review your call ad. Inside the Ads section, click Create Ad and choose the Call Ad option. Call ads are designed to encourage customers to contact your business directly by phone, making them ideal for service-based companies or businesses that rely on immediate customer communication. Set up your ad by entering your phone number, business name, and other required details. Once the ad is active, it's crucial to monitor how many calls are coming in and how many of those calls result in sales or valuable inquiries. To calculate your ROI, you'll need two key numbers. First, the total amount you spent on your call ad campaign. Second, the revenue generated from the calls your ad produced. Google Ads provides call reporting and conversion tracking tools that help you see how many calls came directly from your ad. If you value each call based on average sales or lead value, you can estimate the total revenue your campaign generated. The basic formula for ROI is simple. Subtract your ad spend from your revenue and then divide the result by your ad spend. This gives you a clear percentage showing how profitable your campaign is. The higher the percentage, the better your return. And that's all there is to it. By understanding how to measure ROI for call ads, you can make smarter decisions, adjust your budget more effectively, and improve your overall advertising strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out more guides on our channel to continue improving your digital marketing skills.